Hello guys, welcome to the second part of this tutorial. This is an account that I created in the first tutorial, but there are some things I have to explain. So what you are going to do in this tutorial is, in this video, is to create a gig on graphic design niche. So before I move on, there are some things that I have to explain because in the previous video I just used music and some text. I don't use voice over like this, but right now I have to explain some things. So before we move on, I've already deleted the key that I create. I have to click on become a seller. Yes, click on this. Click on continue. Continue. So the full name is Stella George. Move on. So this is the description. This is the description that I steal from a seller because there is no time for me to compose my own. But if you want to do your own, you have to compose your own and make sure it relates to what you want, what you are offering. So you just have to tell hello, I'm Stella, professional graphic designer with over 8 years of experience. You have to state your experience in your niche and what those people you have worked with before, the tools you used, like the software you use. So you have to state everything in your description and note this thing. All the metadata that have star on top of this like this, those are the metadata that are compulsory. You cannot skip them. So my image has been removed. I have to upload another one. Let me just use this one. Move on. The language, choose any language you like. Make sure click on continue. So this is the occupation. For me now, the account I want to set is on graphic design. This is where I choose graphic design. This is the graphic design. I have already choose it. From which year? I said like I started being a graphic designer from 2019, and I am still a graphic designer in 2022. So you have to choose your best skills in graphic design, and then you can see this. Choose 2 to 5 of your best skill. Let me just use illustration, layer design, and logo design. I need to character design. I don't know. Let's see Photoshop editing, and this. Let me choose imitation. That is fine. I cannot choose another. I cannot choose more than this. So you can move on. So you can also choose additional skill like digital marketing. You can delete or choose it, but I've already chosen this one. Choose this one from I've changed this one before in the previous tutorial. So the skill, let's add new. Just type any your share tag relative to the work you are doing. Let me say illustration is going to display all the related search tag. Illustration and no illustrator. Let's use this one. Experience level. I'm choosing an expert so that when my clients see this, they will say, yes, this is an Adobe Illustrator expert. don't like to hire. Right. So that is how you choose your skill. Now we move to education. You know, you can see this one. This one have star, and this one doesn't have. Education doesn't have. That means it is not compulsory. It can be skipped. So that is why I just skip this. Certification, it doesn't have. It can be skipped. Personal websites, it is optional. Click on continue. All these are also optional. Your social presence, maybe your Google, Facebook, Twitter, you can connect, but they are optional. Continue. So my email and my number have already been verified. If this is the first time I'm opening this account, I will have to verify the phone number, but I have already verified the phone number in the previous tutorial. So let's just click on finish. Done. And then we move to create our gig. So this is where we create the gig. So we want to create the gig. This is where you write a gig title, category, and share tag. So that I don't waste most of your time, let's do just like I did in my previous video by copying someone else's gig. So this is the guy I copy his gig. I copy his gig in the previous video. So let me use this one. But if you are doing your own, when you are creating your gig, it is advisable not to copy someone's gig. Take your time to write, take your time to compose and create a mind-blowing gig, so that when your customer sees this, he or she will be very happy to hire you. So as you can see, this buyer, there is 3 orders into. This is the ongoing projects in his account. He has already completed an order of 1,103 in this graphic design niche. Assuming all the order that he has already completed, assuming every one of them is equal to his basic, but there is no way it can never be equal to his basic gig. His premium is $20, while ultimate his premium is $40. The standard is $20. So assuming all his work is $10, so you can say 1,103 multiplied by 1,103 multiplied by 10. Let me use my calculator for you to see how much this seller has made so far on FIVERR. You can see 1,103 times 10. That means he has already made $11,030 so far. $11,000. If you want to convert this to naira, it is close to 5 million naira. So that's how you may also make your money on FIVERR, when you focus on what you are doing and take things seriously. You can also be like this guy. So let's copy his gig. Just come here. This is his gig title. How we do any graphic design work. That is his title. I can copy it here from here, because I will do has already been. You can see I will has already been written here. Just okay, you have to type it yourself. so it's okay. If you want to, if you are copying a gig, assuming that you want to detect the category of this map form, this is where you see the category. This is the category graphic design, and this is the subcategory Photoshop editing. You can go to, it has already been stated the graphic design Photoshop editing, but you can find it in graphic design, and here Photoshop. Let's look for Photoshop editing here. Here is it, Photoshop editing. So now the gig metadata, you can say type of editing, background removal, resizing, restoration, filter effect, retouching and enhancing. Let's see what this buyer is using. Seems like it doesn't show here, so just let's go and choose our one. We are good at resizing or restoration, or I'm not really good at graphic design work, so as you usually good at that, you can choose anyone. Let's choose retouching and enhancements. So the file format that you want you can use to deliver your project. And this is where you choose JPEG. You can deliver in PDF, you can deliver in PNG, PSD, etc. So that's all about it. So the next thing we are going to consider is the search tags. Yes, when you choose the search tags, let's see what this guy use. This is where you see these search tags as yeah, this is the related tags. These are the tags that we use: artwork, graphic design, graphic art. Let's do the same. Artwork. So artwork. You can enter graphic design, graphic arts. Photoshop work, image editing. Click on enter. So that's all about it. Now you have to click on save and continue. So save. Now this is the pricer pages. This is where you set your price and your package, like this guy. So come over here, basic, but you can also use our own in another way, like this guy. Now he said basic. This title for his basic, he also writes basic, but if you can say like a basic package, you can call it like silver package, and a standard you can call it golden package, and then our premium we can call it diamond. So the description of the silver package, in this basic is say basic graphic designer work, PNG and JPEG files for only $10. Let's copy this. If you are the one writing your own gig, make sure you take your time to compose and create your own. So standard, move into standard graphic design work, PNG, JPEG and no source file. He said in the standard, he said he's going to deliver with the source file. Let's always open and paste. We go for it first. In the premium, it said graphic design PNG, text source file, and mockup design. So the basic and the standard doesn't have mockup design. Only this premium have mockup design. That is why his budget increased to $40. You can also do the same. Copy and paste here. Now the next thing we have to do is delivery time. The time you are going to deliver the basic package must be different from the time you are going to deliver the standard package. So let's click here. Let's say we are going to deliver this in 1 day, we deliver it in 2 days, and we deliver it in 3 days. If you are the one writing your own gig, you have to indicate the time that you can deliver your own work. Not this guy. This guy might be more professional, more than you. So you can see this. Take 2, 3, 4. You can see this. This one is said in the basic. He will deliver 1 image, no source file, high resolution, commercial for commercial use. In the standard, it said 2 images, including source file, high resolution, commercial use. In the premium, it said 3 images with source file, high resolution, and commercial use. So we are going to do the same. It said in the package use 1 file, this one, 2 images, this one, 3 images. There are no source file in the basic package, but there is source file here and here. High resolution, yes, high resolution, high resolution. For commercial use, for commercial use, for commercial use. Just like this guy has, his package is basic package is $10. You can also use $10, or you can use $5 to attract buyer. $10 is the standard package is $20. We can use $15 to attract buyer, and this one you can use $40 or $35. So now let's move on. Uncheck this one, uncheck this one, uncheck this one, uncheck this one. So there are no compulsion. Save and continue. Now this is the description and the FAQ. We are in the description and FAQ page. So in the description you have to state in the description what you are really going to offer in this gig. This description of the buyer, of the seller. Say, hello, I'm a professional graphic designer who has got more than 7 years of experience, blah 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 blah. What are the benefits you get while working with me? Creative and unique ideas, high quality professional. This is the description that this buyer used. And make sure when you are writing your own description, make sure your search tag, your tags, there must be a lot of your tags in the description, like this one: graphic design, graphic designer, graphic design, a lot. So that is the reason why when I search for graphic design, that is the reason why this guy comes first. One of the gigs that I saw on the first page, because he has a lot of tags, related tags in his description. So I'm going to copy this paste it here. Let me change this name. This name is Creative Planner. I'm going to change my name to Stella. Stella to I'm going to move on. So this is the FAQ. Most of all will know the meaning of FAQ. The FAQ is there are some specific questions that the buyers are tend to ask. Now, I don't know much about this, but if you are a graphic designer, you must know that there are some questions that your buyer will ask. So you can just post the question and the answer. Like, let me say, can you do? Can you remove a background from a photo? This is the question. Then you have to type your answer. Say yes, I can. Yes, I can. So anytime if I add this one like this, so once a client gets to your gig, they will see this FAQ. If he or she wants to ask this kind of question before, he will see that it has already been answered there. So there is no more. It is not compulsory to ask again. You just order it directly. So let's see if I continue. That is the work. That is the benefits of FAQ. So this is the requirement. The requirement is to tell the buyer. This is where you have to ask for what you need before you start the work. Assuming the buyer has ordered you, this is what is going to show. Assuming the buyer wants to do like a business card. When you order you, this is where you show that maybe you said drop the necessary requirements on your project. If the buyer wants to do like business card, he's going to drop his business name, logo, and everything that is going to appear in his card. So that is all about the requirement. Add. See if I continue. And then the next thing is the gallery. You can upload more than three images. Like this guy. This is the image that he uploaded. You can also upload your work, the work that you've done. This is first picture, second. Okay, this is the review. Once you start doing work, or you start receiving projects and finish, the image you used to deliver your project is going to appear here. It's going to appear like this guy. This is the image he used to deliver his work. This is the image. This is it. You can see. So you can just choose any of the work you've done and upload it. So let me just choose an image in my gallery. Let me choose maybe this one. Let me choose this one. Uploaded. You can only upload this one, or you can even upload a video. Yes. Let's move on. Let's say I declare that the material I use myself. You have to check this thing. Check it. Click and save and continue. then you have to, then everything is done. Just publish your gig and be waiting for your customer to order you. Click on publish and done. So that is all about creating a gig on how to on graphic design niche. So if you think this is helpful in one way or the other, please kindly like the button. Please kindly click on the like button and subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload any kind of videos like this, you will be notified immediately. So if you want to create another gig, this is where you click on create new gig. And mind you, you can only create more. You can only create the maximum of 7 gig right now. So I advise you to create 7 gig so that your account will get right in a very short time. So thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.